How to see your send friend request on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your send friend request on Instagram. Now, you don't actually get an option to send friend request on Instagram, but you do get an option to send follow request. Now, if you want to see that, go ahead and open the app and make sure you are logged into your ID. Once you're logged into your ID, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the bottom right of your screen. Once here, click on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. And here, you'll get the option Your Activity. Now, tap on it. And if you scroll all the way down below, you'll get an option to download your information. Tap on it. And here, you can request a copy of your information at any time. So tap on request a download, and you can either download the whole copy or whole information of your account, or you can select types of information. Now, since we only want to see our send friend request on Instagram, we will just tap on select types of information that we want to download, since this will be quick and easy. Now we'll scroll all the way down below, and here, if you scroll, you'll find the option followers and following. Now, since we want to view our send friend request, all you need to do is download this and submit a request. And once you have done this, your information will be prepared and they will let you know once it's ready. You can simply download it and go to your phone storage and open the file and look at your send friend request, your followers and following. Hope this helps. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.